All right, I'm gonna have to edit that. So, new drive shaft is here, nice and pretty.
Nice and black and long.
Took our original yoke, put it in, got it on the new U-joints, nice space for U-joints. I gotta go to a football game. Xander's gonna slide this in.
I'm gonna throw it in, bolt it in, you guys will see that.
Yeah, and then this will be done.
Yep.
Then we just gotta do trans-cooler lines and fire it up and verify the fluids and all that. Should be able to drive it early next week. We gotta do something about those tires. We'll talk about that.
Yeah.
That's a Monday problem. All right. I'll see you girls later.
Alrighty, guys, kind of wrapping up here for the day because it's getting decently late. And just wanted to show, as you saw earlier, we had the yoke in, and now I have the drive shaft completely in. We're in on the transmission. I'm completely lost. Where am I? Oh, we're back here. We're in on the transmission. And I have my U-bolts in. We're all cranked down, and we have a drive shaft in this thing. So that's one step closer. This is definitely a lot nicer than the old one that was in here, the one that was cracked. So it's definitely a lot safer too. It wasn't fun getting it in. I definitely struggled going through the tunnel there. That wasn't fun. And then angling it while supporting, I had to have a hand like up here while I had my other hand on the yoke trying to direct it in. Then I finally caught it, just slipped it in all the way. And yeah. So, new rear end, new drive shaft. This thing's gonna be pretty killer. We're doing pretty good here. I think this is, yeah. I think this is new. New brake lines, new hoses. This thing's gonna be pretty good when we're done. So, as Bobby mentioned earlier, we're gonna do the trans-cooler lines, fluids, I think oil, power steering, coolant, because, what did I put them? We got hoses in from AutoZone. They radiator hoses. I think I put them in my box. Nope. I'm not sure where I put them. Anyways, we get the upper and lower radiator hose in just recently. Oh, right here. That's what I was waiting for. There's some nice Duralast hoses here. Got the spring and everything to retain it. And yeah. So we'll get that done. So we'll do coolant, oil, transmission fluid, obviously, power steering fluid, literally every fluid in this thing, basically. I think we already did rear end fluid, so I think we're good on that. And then, as he said, we'll figure out the white wall situation, because these brand new white walls that we scrubbed and cleaned are definitely not white walls anymore. That's yellow. So, yeah, pretty good. Oh, and the windshield washer fluid thing. The pump, it's not pumping, so we got to figure that out. But we figured out the switch inside. We have a new switch and everything in there. We figured out our transmission linkage and everything and why it wouldn't stay in park or whatever the issue was. Neutral safety, I don't know what it was. It was just something. I remember Bobby had to do something with the linkage. We'll get our valve for the power steering fixed and everything. Just wrapping things up. I think we gotta fix that fuel line. We're gonna try a fan spacer, not a fan spacer. We're gonna try a air cleaner spacer so we can get some more clearance for that fuel line on the carburetor, because right now it's hitting the air cleaner, so that's what's stopping us. We got that fan tried in, as you saw Donkey did. So, yeah, just getting there one step at a time. Later, guys.